Alright, so here we are. We're with our other girls. Same problem. Same no more grow more fat cards we're watching or paying attention to before we call them. We got the same issue, a little cow mag issue. So we'll take care of that. We'll go pick up some cow mag. Get up on this ladder. So these are the two Gavita girls, or the Gavita girls are 6 under here. Hard to get everything in here. This is an 8x12 scrog with 6 girls in it. They're dense all the way down. They're all filling in all the way down. There's a little gap right there. Let's go all the way in. So we're using 2 Gavitas. They're at 750 right now. So that's her. That's these girls, these new ones. These are the next in line. Kind of goofing off to see what they do. There's 2 of us that live here, so working on these. Thank God it's not just me. 6 plants under here in smart pots. We got that stuff from the Grow Boss. We appreciate that. He gave us a good deal too. Alright, the no more fact cards too. Don't forget to pick them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be nice to your hydroponic store, you guys. I've done wholesale retail too, you know. They can only get so much of a good price on so many things. The manufacturers out there really don't they don't make that great of deals. Alright, support your local store. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to pick up the Grow Boss's book. Learn some good techniques. Think ahead on tactics. Alright, we'll see you in another week.